In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate deadline timers in Activecampaign. To get started, open Activecampaign and go to the email you want to edit. This can be a campaign email or an email inside an automation. Make sure you open it in the email designer, since that is where you can add and customize visual elements like timers. Once the designer loads, you will see your email layout in the main area, with a sidebar that contains different content blocks you can insert. Next, look to the right sidebar and find the countdown timer block. This is the block Activecampaign provides for displaying a deadline timer directly inside your email. Click and drag that countdown timer block into your email layout, placing it exactly where you want it to appear. A common placement is near a call to action button or near the top of a promotional section, so the deadline is easy to notice. After the timer block is in your email, click directly on the block. This opens the content settings for the countdown timer. These settings control how the timer behaves and what deadline it is counting down to. Take a moment here because this is the most important part of the setup. Now choose the timer type. You will see an option for fixed or relative. Fixed means every subscriber sees the same end date and time, which is ideal for a public launch, a scheduled sale, or a webinar registration deadline. Relative means the timer counts down based on each contact's timeline, like a deadline that starts when they enter an automation. Keep in mind that relative requires a professional or enterprise plan, so if you do not see it available, that is usually why. Once you have selected fixed or relative, set your end date, time, and time zone. Be precise with the time zone, especially if you have an audience in different regions, because the timer will follow the settings you choose here. Double-check the date and time to avoid ending too early or too late. Finally, click Save in the top right. This locks in your countdown timer settings so they will display correctly when your email is sent. And that is all there is to it.